How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your arms, an intense workout tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we are going to do is twists. It's 15, keep going. 30, keep going. 40, perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise we're gonna do is squeeze. So get your hand squeezed really, really tight. Hold this for 20 seconds. You gotta squeeze though. You gotta squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep squeezing, almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we are then going to go to an arm curl. So just like this. And we're gonna curl. This works your arms really good. It works the forearms too, but it does work the arms. It's 12, 13, keep going. It's 30, keep going. It's 40, perfect, quick little break. Then I'm gonna go to twists. Perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna do squeezes, so get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going, you guys, almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, you guys, really, really good. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.